In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record cinematic video at 4K on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. After that, tap right here where it says Cinematic to switch to Cinematic mode. And then towards the top right corner of the screen, you can easily find the current video quality. By default, it is set to HD on any iPhone. All we have to do in order to change it to 4K is just tap at HD. And now we are able to record cinematic video in 4K resolution. All we have to do is just tap at that record button. And now you can check the difference between a regular video mode and the cinematic mode. The first difference is that we cannot use wide-angle lens on a cinematic mode. If you got a Pro iPhone, on my iPhone 15 Pro, I got that wide-angle lens. However, I cannot use that on cinematic mode. And when we look at the video we have just taken, we can see that first off, it was shot in HDR mode. HDR means high dynamic range, and also we can notice that the background is pretty much blurred like in a portrait mode while we're taking a photo on our camera in a portrait mode. That's basically what cinematic mode actually is. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.